Removing a payment method from Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to manage your payment methods effectively. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Scroll down to find the Payment Method section. Here, you will see a list of all the payment methods linked to your Cash App account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Locate the payment method you wish to remove, such as a debit or credit card. Tap on it to open the details for the specific payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice to successfully remove it from your account. After completing these steps, the selected payment method will no longer be associated with your Cash App account. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.